So here I have the 14-inch metal bed frame from VECELO. This is gonna be the full size version of it. So I was looking through all the frequently asked questions and I saw 3 questions being asked over and over, and they were the setup time of this bed frame, the storage underneath, and then do you need a box spring for it? So I'm gonna answer all of those for you. The first question being the setup time. So this took me a little over an hour to set it up. Now, I'm not much of a handyman, so if you are a handyman or if you have 2 people doing it, I did it by myself, I think you could probably get it done in an hour or less, but it did take me a little over an hour to set it up. So that's gonna be what it is for the setup time. The second question is the storage space. So I just measured from the bottom of the frame here down to the floor on the sides of it, and it came in at 14 inches. So you're gonna have 14 inches in height to slide stuff underneath, and then obviously you can use the whole bed frame underneath it for storage. And the third question is gonna be, do you need a box spring for this mattress? So you do not need a box spring. There's gonna be slats that go all the way down the frame, so you can just set your mattress right on top of it with no box spring. And I know some people like to know the distance in between these slats, so I did measure them for you, and they come in at 7 inches for you. So overall, this is a great bed frame. It wasn't too hard to put up, an hour. That's, pretty fair for, a piece of furniture. I think that's pretty good. So overall, great bed frame, very sturdy, and it's easy to move around too on the floor. There's plastic underneath, so you're not gonna scratch your floor if you're just sitting it straight on the wood floor like I have here. So overall, great product. If you do end up buying it, hopefully you enjoy it.